Hi kids! In this lesson, we shall continue to learn about addition and subtraction. At the end of this lesson, you shall be able to correctly add and subtract proper and improper fractions, correctly add and subtract proper and improper fractions in everyday life, add and subtract decimals up to 3 places, solve quantitative aptitude problems involving addition and subtraction of decimals. Saratu's mom bought her some yummy chocolates, and Saratu was very happy. However, Saratu's mom said she would not give her the chocolates until she learns how to solve some questions on fractions. Here is a list of the questions I want you to solve. If you do them correctly, you get your chocolates. Else, no chocolates for you. Don't worry, Saratu. I will teach you and your friends how to add and subtract fractions. Let's begin with some simple examples. 2/3 plus 1/3. If we look at it carefully, we can see that the denominators of the two fractions are the same. Therefore, we pick one denominator, 3. Then we add the two numerators, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 3/3. Any number divided by itself is 1. Therefore, the final answer is 1. Another example is 3/8 minus 1/8. The two fractions have a common denominator of 8. Therefore, we quickly write out our common denominator and add the two numerators. 3 minus 1 all over 8 equals, which is equal to 2/8. 2/8 is the same thing as 1/4. Pretty easy, right? However, some fractions like 3/2, 1/5, etc. do not have common denominators. For instance, what is 3/4 plus 2/5? From the question, we can see that the denominators are different. The first step is to multiply the first fraction by the denominator of the second fraction. Then multiply the second fraction by the denominator of the first fraction. So let's try this. 3/4 times 5/5. This is equal to 15/20. 2/5 times 4/4. This is equal to 8/20. Now, the two fractions have the same denominator of 20, meaning we can add their numerators while maintaining the common denominator. So, we write out the denominator 20, then write 15 plus 8 as the numerator. What do we have? 23/20. Easy. Great job so far. Like fractions, we can also add or subtract decimals. Examples of decimal numbers are 0.5, 1.565, 4.234, etc. Let's look at some questions on decimals. What is 2.213 plus 3.456? The first thing to do is to arrange the digits according to their place value. Then start adding from the left. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 plus 4 equals 5. And 2 plus 3 equals 5. Question number 2. Subtract 2.102 from 4.213. As usual, we arrange the numbers and subtract the smaller one from the bigger numbers. And subtract the smaller one from the bigger number, starting from the left. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. Now, I want us to solve this question together. Mr. Bola packed some books to be transported to Yola Town. The first pack weighs 5.234 kilograms, while the second pack weighs 3.100 kilograms. What is the total weight of the books to be transported? This is pretty straightforward. We add 5.234 to 3.100. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And 5 plus 3 equals 8. Therefore, the total weight of books to be transported is 8.334 kilograms. Yay! I think it's about that time Saratu goes home to claim her chocolates from her mom. Before the lesson ends, here is a recap of what we've learned in this lesson. We learned how to add and subtract fractions and decimals, how to solve some quantitative aptitude problems on addition and subtraction of decimals. Now, it's assessment time.